Hari Om Tat Sat. Before I commence, I have to ask an apology for commencing 12 minutes late. You see, this is also a part of the life. When things goes up and down, you have to keep your head cool. Because the yoga is not merely head down and legs up. It's not mere the lectures upon the meditation and concentration. It's a practical way of living a life. And that is to adjust, adapt and accommodate. In all conditions to keep yourself happy and healthy. Yesterday we have talked about the subject, how one can be free from a stress, which are all the principal cause of the tense. Among them, the first is an individual ego we are talking about. Every small matter, we get ourselves disturbed and perturbed. I will talk to you very direct matter in my own personal life. I'm in the public life since my age of 6 years, now 70. My whole life as a monk I spent either with the Indian Army, Indian Air Force, Indian Navy, or the Army training schools, police academies, Indian administrative schools. My father was known for a time-making man. 37 years of his service, was never late for a single second. God is kind. Now 45 years of my monastic life, I am also never late. But earlier I used to irritate. If something goes late, I'll get up and go, do it. Now not. How it can come? It can come through the awareness. Because things are not in your hand at all times. Speaks. The speaker has got his own value like your own value. How you value your own self, you value other person also. But our egos makes a cracks and breaks. Why I was not given a proper welcome? Why I was not given a proper set? Why I was not given a recognition? These are things makes a man unhealthy. The more you want to think of the yoga, you should have a harmony. Yoga is harmony itself. This young man, what's your name, sir? Om. His name is Om, so beautiful. One of the best name on the world. I'm so happy. Om is in front of me. Om iti ekaksharam Brahman. The God says, I am the Brahman in the name of the Om. Now Om, why to say that he is a small little guy? He has got his own value. So in case we value everyone, the smallest person, the last person, we value a condemned person, not to condemn, but give him more strength, then you will be not having a stress. Stress comes because of a demand. That I want to demand something. What? Name, fame, etc. Don't demand anything. Try to give the best what you can give. The more you give, more you are liked. My master says, spend, spend, spend. He will send, send, send. More and more you give. Give your love. Give happiness. Give time. Give service. Give the best you are having today. That will make you very light, comfort, happiness. How it can come? Yoga, we think only keeping our, looking the nose and keeping eyes closed and sitting straight. No, that's not yoga. Yoga is a way of a life. Everything goes in yoga. Everything. And you always got to three things. Repeat with me. Say adjust,
Adjust,
adapt,
adapt,
accommodate.
accommodate.
adjust, adapt,
Adapt.
accommodate.
Accommodate.
Just 3 words can make you happy. And fourth, you have to remember, every morning swallow one capsule. One capsule. The name of the capsule, repeat with me. Say M,
M.
Y,
Y.
O,
O.
B.
B.
Mind your own business. It's the whole problem. We desire to poke our nose in someone's mind. Mind your own business. You're the happiest person in the life. Happiest person. You must know what you're supposed to do. You don't think of someone else what's happening. And then, if someone is a, 4 things are there. Mercy, Patanjali said so. Maitri, Karuna, Mudita, Upekshara. Those who are like-minded people, be a good friend to them. Maitri. Karuna, those who are poor, weak, meek, have patience for them. Love. Karuna. Some they are great. Sujata Mataji is great. So you should have an honor for them. Mudita. Sujata Mataji was given a respect and great regards day before yesterday. Joy, happiness. Why that Dr. Sujata is ours? No, anyone. Some Sanmanam is given, feel happy. That is the Mudita. And then Upeksha. Someone is a wretched person, stupid. Keep a long distance. Don't go and break your head with them. Maitri, Karuna, Mudita, Upeksha. There's not 4 words. It doesn't need to shave your head. It doesn't need to change your clothes. It's only your attitude. That attitude will make your aptitude. You'll be new man, as I told you yesterday. It's just little awareness. Awareness of the awareness. And the consciousness of the consciousness. You should be aware of it. How I can be aware? When you become one with everyone. One. Think that everything belongs to me. I never feel what I have to do with the Nata, I am coming from Gujarat. No. They are mind people. Yes. I don't see Telugu, Tamil. No. I see they are Indian. I don't see the Indian also. The black and white, they are all belongs to me only. Yes. Yesterday I was told that when function was over on the stage, governor went in a private room. People had a photograph with him. I said, what is that? You have to pay $250 getting a photograph with him. $1,000 getting. I told Ravi has taken a number of photographs of mine. I didn't pay anything. What is that? Then Ravi said, so no. This TV5 in Hyderabad, they shown some clip. Some of you were there. If you come in the photograph, come in a TV. What is the difference to you? You are what you are. Whatever desires, the name and fame creates a problem. So the whole problem of our ego, of our tension, of our stress is the name, fame, money, ego. Trividham narakasyedam dvaram nashanatmana kama krodha tatha lobha tasmat etat trayam vijit. Trividham narakasyedam dvaram. To go to the hell, creating a problem of the stress, the strain, or the pain. 3 principal causes. Calm and the desire. Desire for anything. Maybe lust or greed, anything. Desire. Another, krodha, the anger. And then greed. Greed. Again I am telling greed. Yesterday, we came here after taking our lunch. I found people taking plate, crowded with so much of food. Half a dozen vade, so much of white rice, so much of yellow rice. As if they think this is my last meal. And after this meal I have to die. And no more meal. And then when I die, I should not die. Empty stomach. You should feel my stomach. And they eat in a way which they have never seen. And then they left, I have seen the plate. Was all rubbish, they left. More than half the food left. Our own people. Why? Because of lacking of the culture. Stress is not outside. As I told you, attitude is the principal cause. Shiksha, education is the principal cause. When education is lacking, when education is not there, who's responsible? You are responsible. Education is not an outside, it is within your own self. How the education to be given? Education given means systematically, repeat with me, say systematically, scientifically, regularly, without fail, with interest. These are the 6 steps. Every day. Education should be every day. Systematically. Every day. Systematically. Again, every day. Systematically. Scientifically. Regularly. Without fail. With interest. Every day, systematically, scientifically, regularly, without fail, with interest. That is what Mahasi Patanjali said, not me. I don't have anything to give to you my own. All the sages and saints, Vyasasya Uchishtam Sarvam Ayam Jagat. Everything Vyasa has told. Satu Nairantarya Dirghakala Paryanta Satkala Savito Dradabhumi. Every day, systematically, scientifically, regularly, without fail, with interest. That you do it with an awareness. You see, a few days before I was to see Lata Mangeshkar. I had my appointment 7 o'clock in the morning. Swamiji, we invited her to give an honorary doctorate. So many people have given. But I was asked, Swamiji, you know her to please go on our behalf. Her secretary said, today is become a bit late, so she will not available at 7:30. She's doing her riyaz. At surprise, she's 80 plus, she has to riyaz. Riyaz means a practice. She has to make her practice. Sadhana. I was so surprised. I tell you, need. I asked the secretary. The secretary said so, that you ask her. She said, Swamiji, if I don't make a riyaz in the morning 2 hours, first my accompanist people will be made. And then my people, those who are singing, supporting me, they will know. Third day, I'll be restless. I will not love to eat my food. Something wrong to me. Lata Mangeshkar, like a person, also needs a everyday's practice. Jagjit Singh was a great ghazal master. Every year for 15 days I spend a time in Bombay. March 15 to 31st. A walkable distance. That's all. How long this building is there, one end to another end. Every morning from 9:30 to 11:30 he will be keeping his own doors open, taking a tanpura and singing. He'll go and sit in it. He charges 10 lakhs, 12 lakhs, 15 lakhs for one concert. Such a Jagjit Singh, like a person who is charging 12 to 15 lakhs rupees for singing in India, he has to practice 2 hours. Imagine. Zakir Hussain, tabla maestro. Every morning 1 hour. Hey Swamiji, my Abu used to say, how you do namaz. Namaz means a Muslim prayer. 5 namaz. He says, my 3 namaz is what? Tabla. 1 hour morning, 1 hour midday, 1 hour evening. Wherever I go, I play tabla. If this Rekha, one film actress in a Hindustani film, one day we were traveling together. So everyone was eating food. I didn't eat. I said, didn't eat. I said, you don't eat? No, Swamiji, I didn't eat. What do you eat? I eat a sweet lemon. Satukudi in Tamil they say, Satukudi. Don't know what they say. Mosami.
Yeah, Narin. Battai.
Battai. In Tamil they say Satukudi. Battai. I take this battai. You take battai only? Yes, Swamiji. And some vegetable? No. And some other fruit? Mostly not. She maintains. They both girls came together when Jaya Bahaduri and she. Jaya Bahaduri becomes so fluffy, great grandmother. She is still maintaining. This film star, this musician, also to maintain their status, they maintain their beauty, maintain their physical frame, if they make so much of sadhana, so much of sacrifice, in our individual life, why can't you do it? So it's an essential factor to be free from stress, free from tense, but to find some time for the self. We have got so much of time for go to doctor appointment. appointment with a lawyer, appointment with children's school. What about the appointment with self? Do you find some time with the self? I want to stay with myself. What do you mean with myself? You stay with your own self means don't spend a time in the front of a TV. Please be seated, sir. I'll be very happy. Yes. Yes. Thank you, sir. Because when you stand, my leg starts getting pain. I don't see your legs, my leg. So you see, sir, friends, it's very essential factor. That when you do like this, altogether different matter. All panorama will change. Your attitude will change. Your thinking will change. That's all. The whole system is confined in there only. A total. Staying with the self means I want to stay with myself. Now myself means myself only. Not with a newspaper. Not with the televisions. Not with the FIFA. Not with the Wimbledon. Not to read, not to write, not to sing, not to dance, not in garden. Not to speak anything. Not to give in a writing in notes. No. Try to see your own self. Very difficult. You never tried. That's the whole problem. The person starts aging. He is feeling more restless. Why? Because he has never tried himself or herself to stay with the self. There are some people, respected Jagat Guru Jaggi Vasudevji. He is a golfman. So he came to Ahmedabad, he went to the golf course. Yes, 50 holes I have to play every day. Good, very good. I know a friend of mine, wherever he will go, 1 hour he want to go for swimming. Good, very good. He's got some discipline. You find whether you go, anywhere I go, 1 hour I should have for me, morning meditation, evening meditation, midday meditation. Any house I stay, there is a problem. I stay with myself, not sitting in a TV room, talking and chatting to people, not putting the mouth in the newspaper. Try to stay with the self. What is that? That try to feel your own self. Yes, don't do anything. Don't speak anything. Don't see anything. Don't listen anything. Then what you do? Just be. Be. In Tamil say, idu irukku. That is that. Thou art that. That is that. Tat tvamasi. Aham brahmasmi. I am the Brahman, you are also the same. Now there is no I, there is no you, only Brahman. More and more you dive deep in the recess of the heart, you will enjoy that eternity. Then become one with the whole cosmos. The world's joy will be your joy. World's pain will be your pain. Very interesting. World's happiness. When it starts blooming, all flowers, you will be blooming. When all trees change the color for a fall, you feel you are falling down. Something interesting. You become one with the season. Become one with all woods. A happiness of your pets is your happiness. Pain of your pets is your pain. You cannot bear. Then you cannot pluck a flower then. Why cannot pluck a flower? Because you become one with that. You are picking, someone is plucking you from here. You can't hurt them. Then you will not hate anyone. Then only oozing is the love. In universal love. The more and more you are in universal love, the beauty of the total cosmos is filled with the love only. You will be not a part of it, you will be one with that. The whole problem, we feel a part. I am meditating. I am. You are separate from meditation. I am meditating upon a Lord. The Lord is here and I am here. There are two. As long as the two, there is not a joy. You become one. A beautiful juta. Beautiful juta. Very good shoes. He is still in the market. But it is the market. He is not purchase himself. But when he will purchase, put on, he is happy. You get a very good sari. seen, feel happy. But when you get your own sari, feel happy. Very good food. Yesterday Ravi Garu told me, food is okay, but Puran Poli was not given. What is Puran Poli? और रोटी के अंदर में मिठाई डालकर
बॉबट्टू
वो बबट्टू नहीं दिया. वो बबट्टू देने से खुशी होता है. वो बबट्टू इतना खाना दिया, वो स्टिल वो खाना में आज खुशी नहीं, बबट्टू चाहिए. क्योंकि इस आइडेंटिफिकेशन दैट बबट्टू इज द बेस्ट सर्विस should be given to Telugu people to be happy. So you see, this identification with that eternity, identification with that gives a joy. So you have to become identification, oneness with that. And what is real identification? Repeat with me, say identity. Say again, identity. Denting of your eye. When you're denting your eye is the greatest identity. The whole problem that you don't have an eye. The whole problem. This whole problem is because eye is there. So to be free from the problem of the stress, free from the problems of so-called a tense, this denting of the eye. And there's no eye. Then what's that? Telugu. I was thinking, what is it? Te. What is lu? What is gu? What is te? Te in Sanskrit, saha is he. Tau, there are two. Te, there are many. Saha, tau, te. Saha is one. Saha, gacchati, he is going. Tau, gachanti, there are two going. Te, gachanti, there are so many people. So te means all. Gu is known as a ignorance. Gu is a ignorance. What is that? Darkness. Gukarandhakarascha Rukaratanirodhaka. What is Guru? Guru. Gu is an ignorance. Ru removes. So te, de. Gu is an ignorance. What is lu? Te, lu. Lu, lam lakara. Who removes the ignorance. The community who removes the ignorance. Community who is leading to the brightness. Community which is leading to the happiness. Community to the leading to the light and power and wisdom and whims and vigor and vigilance and diligence and beatitude and strength and courage in eternity. That community is a Telugu. Te means they. Gu means a darkness, ignorance, not having knowledge. Lu, removing. Wow, I was thinking like that. What a wonderful idea. The community itself, the name itself is so much, then eternity is so much. What is eternity? I was thinking, why Telugu people should think that we are Telugus? No, we are very rich. You think your eternity, what is your rich? Richness is not the money. The highest, biggest blessing to the Telugu community is a Bhuvaikuntham. Shri Tirumala Tirupati Balaji is in the Telugu region only. I am not dividing this Andhra and Telangana. No, it's not in my mind at all. It will never come. To me, I speak anywhere. Shri Shivari. Shri Shailam is there. Tungabhadra is there. Krishna is there. Godavari is there. Wow. And a great Tyagaraja is there. Annamacharya is there. Podanna Bhagavatam is there. All rich, all beauty, all pious, all divinity. Potharaku is there. Potharaku is nowhere in India. Wonderful. And your Arsipita also is there. Shakarikiri is there. Benganpalli is there. Benganpalli, the big mango, biggest mango, the sweetest mango. We have to think like that. I am the richest person. I am the divine person. And then everything will be divine. But our whole problem is that I say he is a big man, I am a small man. That creates a problem. Arey, you are the biggest, highest, richest. No one can beat you. All the Vaishyas and Vasavi Amma is there. The Vasavi Amma, this is a Kanaka Malati.
Kanyaka Parameshwari. Kanyaka
Parameshwari is there. Wonderful. So what is the secret of the happiness? To be free from a tense thinking you are bright, thinking you are great, thinking you are divine. Actually, you are divine, not me. In this country also they say so. The Old Testament said so. You are walking, I am walking in the light, in the light, in the light, in the light of Lord, in the light of God. I am walking in the light, in the light, in the light, in the light of Lord, in the light of God. I am walking in the light. Constant, continuous awareness that I am the light and walking in the light. Never feel you are in a darkness. Never feel that you have been deprived. No, you are not deprived. You are not in a darkness. Hey, can't you think that greatest divinity of this century, Shri Satya Sai Baba, was also from Andhra only, Telugu speaking region only. The amount of service that he, this divine man, who walked in front of us in all the Telugu regions, small villages, there is a continuous road is there. Drinking water is there, school is there, and thanks to him. See, what great thing he has done. So Kaikan. So you see, when I think that politically, diplomatically, they divide these two things. This is a Telangana, this is a Simandhra, this is my region, that is your region. What is my region? What is your region? Why? It's an unfortunate thing. They are also my people. I am also your people. We are one only. Two brothers stays in the house, the father and son stays in the house, and the mother and daughter stays in the house. Their clash should not be known to the neighbors. We pray for all the best of most respected Chandrababu Naidu Garu. Also we pray for Dr. Chandrasekhar Rao Garu. May God bless them. May God bless them with excellent health, long life, peace, joy, supreme blessedness, and correct understanding, mutual love, mutual affection, and the mutual reverence. Mutual love, mutual affection, mutual reverence, and thinking they are not separate from me, they are my people only. So I have to share a water with them, I have to share an electricity with them. Their problem is my problem. Don't worry. Chandrababu Garu, don't worry, I am with you. Don't worry, Chandrasekhar Garu, I am with you. We are one. Two hands of the one body. Not the Telangana. Not the Andhra Simamandra. No, we are all coming from Tirumala, Tirupati. All coming from the Shishailam. We are all the children of the Godavari Mother. All this, that Ramadasa Garu, the great person. You are rich. You are having that Singarani Kolyari mines in Kodagodam and Ramangundam and all. Blessed people are those who are born and brought up in this land. So you feel happiness. And how to protect this happiness? The universal consciousness from external to the internal and internal to the eternal. What is external to internal? Cultivate a habit of sitting in a silence, to stay with your own self. When you know own self into the whole world. Dhruva named one guy was there of this own size. What's your Vayasam? 6, 7, 8, 9. What's your age? 9. He is a little more bigger boy. That boy was only 6 years old. Dhruva, the child of the Uttana Pada, of the Bhagavatam, he blocked his mouth. He controlled his breath. This young little boy who controlled his breath, and because of that, the whole cosmos breath was controlled. Brahma was not able to breathe. Indra was not able to breathe. Om, Bhu, Va, Swa, Ma, Jana, Tapa, Satya, Atala, Vitala, Patala. Everyone suffocated. One person was holding the breath, or the word was. One person sincerely thinks, I am the cosmic person. That universal love which springs in you, then there will be no more place. All love will be there. All goodness will be there. And how to start? As I told you, cultivate a habit to find some time for the self. Sit down, please. Sit straight. Keep your both legs flat. Keep hands like this, keep your eyes closed. Just keep your eyes closed and mentally think. Only pray for the peace and prosperities of the world at large. May there be peace in the east and west, north and south, up and down. Peace in the woods, peace in the ocean, peace in the river. Let there be peace within and without. Peace and peace. Slowly and gradually dive deep in the recess of the heart. From all this external sound, try to listen your heartbeats, please. Just try to listen your heartbeats. Try to listen your heartbeats. You are the light of the light. There is no you, I and me, he, she, it. Only light. Experience it. Experience it. Experience it. Your real nature is light. Na tatra suryo bhati kutoyam agni tameva bhantam anubhati sarvam tasya bhasha sarvamidam vibhati. Your eternity is so vast and so divine and effulgent, full of light, and no sun can shine there. Nor the moon, nor the star, nor the lightning, nor the fire. You are the light of the light, joy of the joy, and bliss of the bliss. Because your real nature is a divinity, that Atma, Tam Atma. That divine. Nothing can be compared with that. You are that Atma. Not these 5 senses of a knowledge or a 5 senses of action, nor the Pancha Prana, the Prana, Apana, Udana, Vyana, Samana, nor the Pancha Tanmatra, the Shabda, Sparsha, Rupa, Rasa, nor the Pancha Vayu, Prana, Apana, Udana, Vyana, Samana, nor the Pancha Mahabhuta, Prithvi, Jala, Teja, Vayu, Akash, nor the Antakaran Chatushtaya, Manabuddhi, Chitta, Ahankara. Beyond that, you are divine soul. Shantoyam Atma, Anandoyam Atma. Na tadbhasayate suryo, na shashanko na pavaka, yad gatva na nivartante, taddhama paramam. Once you achieve this eternity and the divine status, you will never come back. You will always in ecstasy of the divinity. That supreme, that incomparable, can't explain in the words. Simply that, thou art that, Tat-tvamasi. That, Tat-tvamasi. That, Tat-tvamasi. That Tat is muse. Aham Brahmasmi. No Aham. Not me, no he, no she. Only Brahman. Only Brahman. That's your life. When you abide in that Brahman, like a gulab jamun is dipped in the syrup, left and right and up and down, everywhere is sweet. When you are diving deep in that Brahman, oozing with love only bliss, only joy, the supreme joy. Rejoice in the Lord. And again I say, rejoice in the Lord. He is here and now. Rejoice in the Lord always. And again I say, He is here and now. He is here and now. Slowly you may open your eye and feel that calmness. You calm the mind, you heal the heart. Mind is the key for the happiness. Mind is the key gate to lead towards the pain and sorrow and agony. Mana eva manushyanam karanam bandha mokshayo. Uddhared atmanatmanam atmanam avasadayet. Atmaiva atmana bandhu atmaiva ripuratmana. You are the problem. You are the solution. You are the question. You are the answer. Dive deep in the self. Find the pulse of the absolute happiness. God bless you. Thanks to Nata. Thanks to all people here and around everywhere. May God be with them. Om Shanti.